Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.